MST stands for the Utica Center for Math, Science, and Technology. But to me, it's a community of like-minded individuals where we all accelerate together in our courses, in the STEM field specifically, and together we push each other forward towards graduation.
It truly is the district STEM program, where it is a half-day program where students will spend either the first half of the day, 9th and 12th graders come in the AM, and then our 10th and 11th graders will start off at their designated homeschool and then join us for their afternoon classes, where they're taking classes focused truly on math, science, and technology.
Here we provide a program where we can encourage their interests as well as their ideas, where it's student-driven and empowers them to do a lot of critical thinking in the classes.
I thought it would be a fun way to make new friends and meet people from other schools, not just my home school. And it's only a half-day program. And I'm also really interested in math and sciences, so I thought it would be really nice. And then the technology part is also just a bonus.
It's a lot more engaging, especially if you like math, science, and technology. You get in more advanced classes of it.
MST has really prepared me for graduation because the coursework has been really rigorous here. And I feel like I've always strived to be a better student because of the positive pressure that's placed on everybody here to basically strive in these classes.
And so by being enrolled in MST, there is a set curriculum that students will take for the first 3 years. For incoming 8th grade students, they shouldn't worry about the AP classes that they're going to be taking, because the first one that we start out with is AP Computer Science Principles, which is a good starting off point to learn about technology as well as what it means to take an AP class.
MST has definitely prepared me for a better future in that the curriculum here is on a more rigorous pace. You feel a lot of content in the time that you have throughout the year, and each class here builds up on top of the other, so the rigor continues and continues and continues. Not that it's an impossible thing that some might think. It honestly flows very well, and the rigor prepares you for when you go off to college. They teach you almost as if they're college professors, so that when you go off, you're prepared, you know what to expect when you walk into a classroom, the workload, and how to communicate with teachers.
I hope that students are self-motivated. I hope they are not grade-motivated. I hope they can learn from mistakes, almost laugh at themselves. You can fail something, but then learn from it.
I like that it's not a full-day program because I didn't want to separate it from my friends at my home school.
You can take a bus or you can drive to MST, and then you go to all your 3 classes. Your classes are usually around an hour, and then after that you go on your bus around 10:20.
Having to travel during the school day from one school to another seems very daunting at first, but it's actually a great experience because you get to be in a bus filled with students that you're going to take your next classes with, and you guys basically get a lot closer because you get to spend that extra time in the bus and also in this class. Also, you go to the homeschool, you still experience the homeschool. So I think, in my opinion, you get to experience the best of both worlds.
I do a lot of extracurricular activities. I think I'm in 5 or 6 clubs. They work with your schedule if you're running late to a meeting or if you have sports after school, everything. They're very accommodating.
One of the things that I think is special about this program, beyond the curriculum and opening doors for students as they graduate, being a small knit community of 90 to 100 kids per class coming in every year, people here become the students' best friends. Every student will have a teacher more than once, so there's a relationship there, and we all know that when students and teachers feel connected, that they can be extremely successful. So that's just one thing that you can get here that you don't necessarily get in a larger high school.
It's really a great opportunity for them to see all the possibilities that they have for careers and programs moving forward.
It's a great program. I really recommend that.